Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do a Bardot updo ponytail style. This style is really famous amongst the likes of Angelina Jolie, Beyonce, Kim K. Everyone's done it. It's such a sleek, elegant style, and this style is great to do for weddings, evening styles, for the holiday season. If you have like a Christmas do that you go into, it's such a versatile style. Now my Bardot style, I want it to be elegant, but I want it to be full glam as well, because that's what I love. So what I'm going to use, just to give me the extra volume that I need, I'm going to be using a ponytail hair extension. It's from OMGQUEEN. It's a dyeable hair extension, exactly what I wanted. The reason being, it's very difficult for me to find an extension that suits my hair color because it's like a frosted beigey tone. It's very difficult to find the exact color hair extensions as my own. If you guys want to pick up the hair extensions from OMGQUEEN, you'll get a huge 15% discount on every single product, and it's free shipping worldwide. And if you want to get additional money off, use code Malia when you're checking out. This is the box the extensions came in. It says on there, OMGQUEEN dyeable hair extensions. Rainbow your hair, color your life. Inside is the ponytail extension. Come in a clear pack. So this bit of the extension you would fit around the ponytail of your own hair, and then you would wrap it up with this extra piece of hair that they've attached to it. Now this is in the color 613, which is the white blonde hair color, and I've got the 20-inch silky straight extension. Now as you can see straight away, it isn't my hair color. So what I've done, I've picked up the dye of my hair color that I usually use whenever I dye my hair, and this is the color. It's the L'Oreal Excellence Cream in the color 812 in a natural frosted beige blonde, and this is exactly what my hair color is. So I'm going to be dyeing the extensions this hair color, then I'll go ahead and do the Bardot style for you guys. So I followed the instructions on the box, and now I'm just going to apply the dye. It's as if though you dye your own hair, isn't anything different. Now I've completely saturated the hair with the dye. Now I'm going to let it just process for the next 20 to 25 minutes. Now you can see straight away that the color's changed and it looks identical to my hair color. I'm using a silver shampoo, which is what I'd use for my own hair, just to get rid of any yellow tones that are in the extensions. As you can see, the hair is completely identical to my own hair now, so I'm ready to do the Bardot hairstyle for you guys. Using a tail comb, we want to make a rough diamond shape, like a halo around your head. Then we want to leave the front of the fringe out at this side, and if you don't have a fringe, use 4 fingers and just leave this much of hair at the front, and same at this side as well. I'm going to leave my fringe out at this side, and again 4 finger space. Remember to make the diamond shape. So I leave about this much hair at the front, and remember to leave a section at the back as well for the ponytail. Now do the same on this section. Now make sure you have enough hair at the back as well for the ponytail. For the time being, the middle section of the hair I'm just going to clip up. Now this is what the section should look like. The 2 front sections I'm just going to clip out the way using 2 hairpins. Now I'm going to get a section of hair from the middle. So I've taken a section from the middle out. Now I'm back combing the area, and as soon as the back combing is finished, I'll tilt my comb and smoothen out the hair. Again, repeat the same step with the back combing and smoothing technique that we did with the previous area of the hair. Continue the back combing from point to point, working your way up. Now when you finish the back combing, get it gently, twist it, and just get it out the way. Now release the sections at the front, and I'm using Iram Cosmetics Argan Oil just to smooth out my hair. When you've undone this section, comb it down just to make it look a little bit neater. Then lift up the underneath section gently and tie this up. And then go ahead and get the extension. See, this is where you secure it with the grip. So you wrap it around the hair, secure it in. Now using the extra hair piece of the extension, wrap it around the ponytail, concealing the visible area of the extension. And using 1 pin, secure the area. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some hairspray just to make it a little bit neater. And then that's it. There you have it. The Bardot hairstyle finished. It's very simple, such an elegant style. I'm going to leave a description of all the products I've used today, including the OMG Queen Hair Ponytail extension. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!